Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to Rom with Vikas. Today we are at the Red Sea Mall. It's the weekend, and let me tell you something about the mall culture here. Since it's very hot outside, and most of the year it's actually summer, people love to go to the mall because it's indoors. They can hang around, they can do shopping, and it's air conditioned, so it's very convenient. So that's what we living people who are living in the Middle East we normally do. We go to the malls, and in Jeddah itself there are a lot of malls, and this is one of the most beautiful malls. Red Sea Mall is one of the most beautiful and one of the oldest, I can say, and it's quite huge. So let's go today and roam in the mall. At this mall, there are international brands as well as local brands, and you will find a lot of people here, especially attracting the foreign crowd as well as the local crowd. And there are a lot of good-looking, or I should say, posh-looking and elegant cafes here. This is one of them. Looks very beautiful. Will not be able to show you everything in this mall because the area is so huge. Just a couple of minutes of video will not be enough, but I will try my best to show you most of the areas. Right, we have Nike, we have Timberland as well. This is the basement of the mall, and as we go to the upper levels, you will find a lot of shops and quite happening area. Even though this area is less crowded, but you will find more crowd on the upper levels. There are a lot of cafes here. This is one of them, actually, one of the most, you can say, eye-catching cafes. The interior design, everything is quite different, and it gives you good vibe. Nice place to have coffee. We have Adidas here, and this is the Adidas shop. We have this is the gents shoes. The traditional sketches, I do not like them actually, but nowadays you find sketches coming in different styles, wearable styles actually for us. Black soap. I think it's yeah, it's charcoal, and this shop is full of smells. As soon as you enter it, you get hit by this concoction of different smells. I don't know what shape this is. Looks like a lobster. This is the shape of the hippo. And these are all bubble bars, not soap. I think I might have said soap earlier, but this is not soap. This is a bath bubble with the shape of a carrot. If you guys want to have a carrot bath, then this is it. Come to this shop, get it, and have a carrot bath. We have Virgin store. I like to visit Virgin because they have different products that you will not normally find in other stores. We have beard kit. This actually gentleman's beard kit 3-piece set. I don't know how much is this. 79 reals. Uh, this caught my eye. Smart garden. This is grow fresh food all year round completely effortlessly. Okay, this is something different. Plant pots 3-pack for smart garden. One thing I like about this store is the variety of stuff you find. Just like the one I showed you before, that was the smart garden. That was unique. I have never seen it before. Or a pot, 115 reals. Due to the quality and the uniqueness of things, the prices are on a higher side. And this is the book area where most people come to. Actually, most people come here to get books and the electronics. They have Xbox and the PlayStation. This is again a shop, artistic and very unique. They have some unique stuff here. Now this is unique. I think these are for incense burners. Yeah, unique, very unique, very unique. Even the mug is unique, but I'm sure they're expensive. So I like this mall because if you come in the daytime, especially in this part of the mall, you'll get this natural sunlight, and the whole vibe is very good, and it's not hot, so that's the main thing. Early learning center. So this is another toy store. Let's go in. It's mentioned 4 plus, which means it's recommended for kids who are above 4. The one you see in front, that is the play area. Another coffee shop. As I told you earlier, there are a lot of coffee shops here, and the coffee culture here is booming since 2010. Before that, I remember it was just Starbucks, and now you find all the most of the local chains here. There is a toilet night light. In case any one of you forget where the toilet is, then you can use it. We have come to the cinema. This is the cinema in the Red Sea Mall. They have displayed all the movies currently running. This is the first theater in Jeddah. So I tried to give you guys an inside look, not an inside of view, but just a general idea of what's inside the theater. But I was approached by a good gentleman. He was the manager of the theater, and he was telling me that it's not allowed, and he also cautioned me against videoing inside most of the areas. So this is a small challenge that we need to face, especially if you're a vlogger here. But overall, I can say more than I think you can say 80 to 90% people allow you to shoot. So guys, we have come to the end of our video. Hope you enjoyed our roam through Red Sea Mall. I have really enjoyed showing it to you guys, but you know, there were some restrictions, some issues, but anyways, I did it for you guys. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Rom with Rikas, and meet you in the next video.